वेदा पब्लिक स्कूल यंग इन्वेंटर्स एक्सपो, जी हाँ, आपको बताते हैं कि अनोखे प्रोजेक्ट्स इस एग्जीबिशन में ऑर्गेनाइज किए गए थे, जिसमें काफी सारे स्टूडेंट्स, जिसमें मैथ्स, इंग्लिश, कन्नड़ा, सोशल साइंस, आर्ट्स, टेक्नोलॉजी, एनवायरनमेंट, एआई, रोबोटिक्स, कल्चरल, मॉडर्न, इनोवेटिव प्रोजेक्ट्स, इंटरैक्टिव डिस्प्ले और एंगेजिंग प्रेजेंटेशन रहे। इस प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर काफी यूनिक तरीके से स्टूडेंट्स ने शोकेस किया है। इस प्रोजेक्ट एग्जीबिशन को इनॉग्रेट किया, जिसमें चीफ गेस्ट रहे गुलबर्गा शरणबसप्पा यूनिवर्सिटी के डीन लक्ष्मी किरण मक्का जी और थिंक प्रो एकेडमी के को फाउंडर सुनील जोशी। यहाँ वेदा पब्लिक स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल एंड को फाउंडर आरती आर मालेशेट्टी, स्कूल सेक्रेटरी डॉक्टर रवि एस मालेशेट्टी, ISTE न्यू दिल्ली एग्जीक्यूटिव काउंसिल मेंबर डॉक्टर SG मालेशेट्टी और कई सारे मैनेजमेंट के जिम्मेदार लोग यहाँ पर मौजूद रहे। इस मौके पर प्रिंसिपल ने कहा, आरती मालेशेट्टी ने इस प्रोजेक्ट एग्जीबिशन की तमाम डिटेल्स बताते हुए सभी गेस्ट का वेलकम किया। स्टूडेंट्स, पेरेंट्स, स्कूल मैनेजमेंट और सभी टीचर्स का भी शुक्रिया अदा किया। वेदा पब्लिक स्कूल गुलबर्गा शहर के वन ऑफ द बेस्ट स्कूल में से आता है, जहां पर स्टूडेंट्स को फ्यूचर पर फोकस करने के लिए और टॉप क्वालिटी एजुकेशन यहां पर दी जा रही है। एडमिशंस के लिए वेदा पब्लिक स्कूल अगर आप कराना चाह रहे हो तो आने वाले वक्त में 2025-26 के लिए LKG से क्लास 10 तक एडमिशन ओपन हो चुके हैं। वेदा पब्लिक स्कूल सेडम रोड यूनिवर्सिटी सेकेंड गेट के बिल्कुल अपोजिट आता है, जहां पर आजमपुर जाने वाली रोड जो कनेक्ट होती है, वहीं पर वेदा पब्लिक स्कूल आ रहा है। तो जरूर स्क्रीन पर नंबर पर कॉल करें।
Morning, my name is Anika. I'm studying in second standard Ganga. My topic is village and city. Village. A village is called rural part of the country because it does not have modern facilities like cities. The main occupation of the village is farming. City. A city is an area in which a large number of people live close together, governed by local laws and occupied with well-structured housing, transportation, and sanitation system. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Soham. I am studying in 7th standard. Today I am going to explain how a mechanical press works. Using this model, a mechanical press is a machine that uses force to give shapes or cut materials like metals or plastic. It's super useful in industries to make things like car parts or metal sheets.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम आरुषि है। मैं 8वीं कक्षा से पढ़ती हूँ। आज का मेरा विषय है भारत की पहली महिला। ये है भारत की पहली महिला डॉक्टर आनंदीबाई जोशी। ये है भारत की पहली महिला राष्ट्रपति प्रतिभा पाटिल। ये है भारत की पहली महिला शिक्षिका सावित्रीबाई फुले। ये है भारत की पहली महिला।
My name is Shishwari from grade 9. Today I am going to explain how the elevator work by using this model. This is the cabin where the people and the goods are transmitted. This is the counterweight. It is connected to the cabin and it moves easily. These are the rope and the pullers. It is connected to the cabin as well as counterweighter to move smoothly. This is the motor and this is the mom wheel and the gates. It is connected to the cabin and the counterweighter to move easily. This is the PC and it is also known as a control system. It controls the whole part of this elevator. Lift are the safe because they have the sensor and the gauge to stop the accident. I am Spurti of class 7. Today I am going to explain how a powered hammer works. A powered hammer is also called a power hammer. Is a machine that uses force to shape, usually metal. It's like a super strong version of a blacksmith's hammer, but it works much faster than the hammer. The frame. This holds the hammer and the base steady. The hammerhead. This part moves up and down to hit the material with a lot of force. The motor and mechanism. The motor powers the hammer. The motor spins a wheel or cam that lifts and drops the hammerhead repeatedly. When the hammerhead comes down to hit the material with a lot of force and shaping it, the hammerhead goes up and down very quickly, allowing workers to shape metal much faster than they could by hand. The powered hammers are used in industries to make parts, tools, and even artistic metal works. To make this model, we have used PC, which is the brain of the machine, and a motor bridge, and a dynamics motor, and a switch button and battery. Thank you.
मेरा नाम साक्षी है। मैं कक्षा 4 में पढ़ती हूँ। आज मेरा परियोजना कार्य है पानी के मूल। पहले आता है बारिश का पानी, धारा, पानी के छोटे तालाब, झील तथा नदी और हैंडपंप तथा कुआं आदि। धन्यवाद।
My name is Aryan from class 8. Today my topic is smart city. A smart city is a city that uses digital technologies to the lives of its citizens and business. Smart city create economic development and enhance quality to their life factors for people living and working in the city. Smart city advantages of smart city: safer cities and more job opportunities. In smart cities, we have industries, apartment, metros, railway station, hospitals, airports, malls.
My name is Tanisha. I am studying in 6th standard. My topic is shortcut keys. Save. Control process. Save option is used for save the document. Cut. Cut. Control plus X. Cut option is used for move the document one place to another place. Copy. Copy option. Copy. Control plus C. Copy option is used for copy the original document. Paste. Control plus V. Paste option is used for paste the document which we have copied. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಭಯ. ನಾನು 6ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪಡೆದವರು ಇವರು 8 ಕವಿಗಳು. ಇವರು ಕುವೆಂಪು, ಕುಪ್ಪಳ್ಳಿ ವೆಂಕಟಪ್ಪ ಪುಟ್ಟಪ್ಪ. ಇವರು ಶ್ರೀರಾಮಾಯಣ ದರ್ಶನ ಎಂಬ ಕೃತಿಗೆ 1968ರಲ್ಲಿ ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಲಭಿಸಿತ್ತು. ಇವರು ದರ ಬೇಂದ್ರ. ಇವರು ದತ್ತಾತ್ರೇಯ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ ಬೇಂದ್ರ. ಇವರು 4 ತಂತಿ ಎಂಬ ಕೃತಿಗೆ 1974ರಲ್ಲಿ ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಲಭಿಸಿತ್ತು. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ರಶ್ಮಿ. ನಾನು 6ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುತ್ತೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ವಿಷಯ ಭಾರತದ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪತಿಗಳು. ಇವರು ಭಾರತದ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪತಿಗಳು. ಇದು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಭವನಿ. ಇವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಭಾರತದ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪತಿಗಳು ಇವರು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಜೇಂದ್ರ ಪ್ರಸಾದ್, ಸರ್ವಪಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಧಾಕೃಷ್ಣ, ಜಾಕಿ ಹುಸೇನ್, ವಿ ಗಿರಿ, ಪ್ರಫುಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಧಯ, ರಾಮನಾಥ ಕರುಣ, Draupadi Murmu. My name is Muhammad Sainullah. I am class studying in first Amuna. My topic is playground. A playground is a space designed for children to play and develop social and physical skills with equipment like swings, slides, monkey bars, etc. Thank you. मेरा नाम वेदांत है। मैं दूसरी कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ। मेरा आज का विषय रक्षाबंधन। रक्षाबंधन एक त्योहार है, भाई बहनों का त्योहार है। बहन भाई को राखी बांधती है, भाई बहन का रक्षा करता है। धन्यवाद। मेरा नाम आदित्य है। मैं दूसरी कक्षा में पढ़ता हूँ। मेरा आज का विषय है मेरी पाठशाला। मेरी पाठशाला बहुत सुंदर है। मेरी पाठशाला का नाम है वेदा पब्लिक स्कूल। मेरी पाठशाला पढ़ाने लिखाने का अलावा अन्य गतिविधि भी सिखाते हैं और स्कूल में पढ़ने के लिए मुझे बहुत डर लगता है। धन्यवाद। My name is Prajal from grade 8. Today my topic is projector. A projector is an output device that presents video or text or an image on a projection screen and can be connected to a computer and can be replaced the monitor. Mainly projectors are used in movie theaters and the auditoriums. Thank you.
Myself Tejaswini from grade 9. Today I am going to explain about IT companies. Information technology is the use of computer devices or access information. Information technology is a so much large portion of our workspace. Business operation and personal access it compromises in our daily life. In India, IT companies are more than 1,70,000 and in overall 5,40,000 in United States, like Wipro, HCL, Tata and Infosys. Thank you.
My name is Kamal. I am studying in third Amna. Today's my topic is room heater. Usually room heaters are used for extra heat or this heat tolerance are a main heating system. This equipment and money raise the temperature. My name is Aryan. I am studying in 5th standard. My project topic is printer is an output device which printers a hard copy of electric data that is stored in computer or any other devices. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.
Any expense of natural scenery that can be seen from one viewpoint is called the landscape. Landscape painting is the depiction in painting of natural scenery such as mountains, trees, rivers, etc. Landscape painting began in the 4th century in China and in the 16th century in a Western tradition, and in the 18th century became more popular. Raja Ravi Verma was the best example for all the paintings. In the year of 1800 to 1810, landscape painting became more popular due to the people's love adoration towards the nature. The landscape painting, which dates from the early 16th century, is considered as the first true landscape painting in the Western tradition. Thank you.
My name is Vivam. I am studying in first standard Yamuna. My topic is about this was definition. The two things differ from each other such a way has to indicate a definite kind of relationship. For example, happy, sad, front, back, in, out, small, big, up, down, day, night, man, woman, fast, slow, cold, hot.
My name is Adrika of grade 6. My topic is about judiciary of Indian system. The Indian judiciary is hierarchical system of courts that protects the fundamental rights of citizens and ensures justice is administered impartially.
Solar panel is made up of several components. It converts sunlight into electricity. Solar cells. Solar cells are made up of small square shaped. It is photovoltaic cells which convert sunlight into electricity. Backsheet. Backsheet is a layer of a material that protects the back of the solar panel from the moisture and the environmental factors.
ನಂದು ಭಾಷಾ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆ ವೀರಾಭಿಮನ್ಯು ಚಕ್ರ ಇದು ಬಹಳ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ರಚನೆಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಲರಾಮ ಮತ್ತು ಅರ್ಜುನನನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಉಳಿದ ಪಾಂಡವರಿಗೂ ಇದನ್ನು ಭೇದಿಸಲು ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ಅರ್ಜುನ ಮತ್ತು ಸುಭದ್ರೆಯ ಮಗನಾದ ಅಭಿಮನ್ಯು.
ಇದು ಜೋಗ ಜಲಪಾತ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಏರು ಕಪ್ಪಿನ ಜಲಪಾತ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 4 ರೀತಿಯ ಜಲಪಾತ ಹರಿಯುತ್ತದೆ. ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ ರೋಲರ್ ಕಪೆಟ್. ಇದು ಸಾಗರ್ ತಾಲೂಕಿನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಇದು ಭಾರತದ ಎರಡನೆಯ ಅತಿ ಎತ್ತರವಾದ ಜಲಪಾತ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
I am going to present 9 following robot and I will also explain how it works. It is designed to follow a particular path, usually marked by the dark and light path, with the help of sensors called infrared sensors. As you can see, ma'am, that the dark line on the surface and the robot is moving along the path. It is used in factories to carry heavy goods and move from one place to another, and in hospitals to transport medicines and supplies. And it is also used in warehouses to transport the heavy goods automatically.
Sensors will identify only the black color or any darker colors?
Dark and light color both.
Both dark and light. Respected Mal Shetty sir, Secretary of the school Ravi Mal Shetty sir, Aarti madam. I'm glad to visit Veda Public School today. In today's era, as we all know, practical exposure is very important for the students apart from theoretical. So Veda Public School has done an excellent job in organizing exhibition where they have focused on each and every field, including the languages. I was very glad to see that students had showcased their talent in languages also. We just focus on the English grammar, but even Kannada and Hindi subjects are also covered. Students should get such opportunity to showcase their talent. By this, they can increase their practical exposure things. Coming to school daily, just listening to the theoretical, as we all know, it won't work out. As a practical exposure is needed. Today, many festivals are being celebrated, which even students don't know. There are variety of animals. The students they don't get things to see today, but everything was being shown in their exhibition. So I appreciate for their wonderful job in organizing such a wonderful exhibition, and I also thank all the organizers, staff members who have put their efforts in organizing such a beautiful exhibition, and also thank for inviting me to be a part of this function.
मैथमेटिक्स जो भी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड टेबल्स वगैरह रहते हैं एक स्टूडेंट बोल नहीं सकते, तो ये थोड़ा देखे तो अच्छा ये होता है, स्टूडेंट के लिए भी अच्छा है और अच्छे से सीख सकते हैं आगे जाके. स्कूल अच्छा है, एजुकेशन अच्छा है सर, और ऐसा एक्टिविटीज़ हमेशा करते रहते हैं, ये आजकल के इसमें नीडेड है.
इधर वेदा पब्लिक स्कूल में आज के दिन ये जो प्रोग्राम आज रखा है बहुत अच्छा प्रोग्राम है. इधर जो है ना बच्चों के वास्ते एक्चुअल इंडिया के अलग अलग स्टेटों के मॉडल है और उनके जो सब्जेक्ट है उनमें जो लेसन आए हैं उनके मॉडल के बारे में भी उनको बहुत कुछ जानकारी इधर मिल रहा है। ये जो प्रोग्राम वेदा पब्लिक स्कूल जो इधर आज रखा है, पेरेंट्स को भी नॉलेज मिल रहा है। इधर जो बच्चे आ रहे हैं वो बच्चे भी इधर बहुत कुछ सीख के जा रहे हैं। आज का प्रोग्राम जो इधर रखा है सर जी ने बहुत अच्छा है। आगे भी इस तरह के प्रोग्राम रखने से बच्चों को नॉलेज मिल सकता है।
Myself Aarti Malshetty, Principal and Management of Veda Public School. Today we have organized Young Inventors Expo in our school where various projects have been organized in the subjects like maths, science, social, computers, robotics, and in the languages English, Kannada and Hindi. Our students have worked tirelessly to complete their projects. This exhibition is the culmination of our students' hard work, creativity, and critical thinking. It's the celebration of learning and exploration. I thank all the students, teachers who work tirelessly to complete their project, and I thank our parents for their continuous support. I thank all the guests, parents, and press and media for being present here.